Hi guys, welcome to Rayon channel, and today I'll be showing how to make a Big Nick comic strip. So I'm just using Google right now, but you don't have to use Google. You could just use any just the original one, Google.com. You don't have to use it. So you have first you type Big Nate Comic Studio. If you want to make another comic, there are all other comic studios. So type Big Nate Comic Studio. It's over here. Then I'm just gonna press it, and the first one, this one would also work at the top, but just to make it better, I could use this. No, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, okay. So now we're making a comic strip. So you can make a flip book or do these stuff. But I'm gonna make a 4 because that's the highest you can do. So then you could, if you press any of these are sprites. If you press Nate, then there'll be all the image, which has the most because it's the main character. I don't want to put that there. You could use the delete uh, but it'll delete all the characters. So what I do instead is just put them to the side. That's what I do. And trust me, it never comes back. So what I'm gonna do is also if you want like stuff, this is so I'm gonna put background. There's one background, only one, but still you could use it. Where did it go? I think something wrong. Yeah, it's not coming. I think something's wrong. Okay, I just no, I don't want it. Okay, maybe I'll just use without those because it's kind of something's wrong. Okay, I'm gonna use maybe Nate first. I'd have yeah. I'm gonna think of a comic strip. Instead, I'm probably gonna do Teddy. There's only two, but I could do something like yeah. Just have to click on it. Yeah. Oh yeah. It just came. Now I don't want to make it very big because that's actually kind of weird. Unless if it's like a giant city, then I'll probably make it like this big. You don't have to do this. I just want, and you can also flip the image like this and all of that. You can also print this, but you have to like put airdrop. That's how I did one comic strip. Then if you do it again, you can put on another character, which I'm gonna do like maybe this one. It's gonna add to any random area, so I'm gonna make them smaller. Well, okay, maybe that's a bit small. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. I think that's how much it is. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Since Teddy is taller, so then I'm just gonna put like maybe uh like something same here. I'm gonna maybe make something like okay, I'm not, I have to think about it to actually, you have to, so maybe let's just say you want to do something. You can keep on putting in these. Also, there's another one. This one, I think I do this for like stuff like doing. So I'm just gonna maybe, um, maybe gonna small the size. I don't think you can. I've tried doing this stuff, but I'm just gonna like I'm just gonna be like, I lost my backpack. Plus, actually, LinkedIn PS does do these with capital, so I'm gonna put caps lock on. I'll just do I lost my backpack and then it says me too. I lost my backpack. My backpack. And then you can also flip this. I'm gonna flip this. Where should I put? Okay. Okay. No, that's upside down. Uh, this should be something. I guess I'll just use this because it don't. The last time I did this, there was something. And of course, I'm gonna put that on. And shift. If you don't know how to do the exclamation mark or any of those, you just have to press shift and go on the numbers. That's what it is. And of course, there are more. So you just press shift and then it'll do the other one. So I lost my backpack. Me too. That's pretty good for starting and for the first panel. Now I guess I'll just do something like which happens just randomly. That's because it's kind of happens. What's so this should be something like what's this? Oh, there's no sprites in the section. Oh yeah, these are just the stuff which I don't use. I don't really use these stuff. So there's also another. Yeah, oh yeah, it's background. I don't want to do custom backgrounds because I don't think I have anything to put in there. It's kind of I'm kind of like it. It's not pretty. I don't have any of those files. I'll just use this one. I guess I'm going to do this. Okay, not this. And I'll just do close up. I'm going to drag him there. Okay. I'm not going to. Yeah. I don't want to make it that big. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. It's not that I keep on forgetting. Teddy, okay. Okay, not that big. That's shocker. Smaller. Not that big. I mean, it should make. It's not as big compared to the school. Okay, not that big either. No, not that big. I'm trying to put this in. It should work. Yeah. That's actually too big. That's a little small. Maybe no. No. I guess. Maybe I'll just make it a little smaller. And then. And then. Drag him there. You know, I think sometimes this doesn't go to work. Plus, this isn't the actual font of Lincoln Pierce does to these comics for the stuff. But anyway, I couldn't find any other font. This is the original for this one, so I guess I'll just use this. I was gonna maybe. Oh, okay. it actually doesn't. No, it's not meant to be like that. But I want to do like some error thing. So where is it? Can't find it. I think it's here. No. I guess we can't. I guess we can't. No. No. What's happening? Yeah, that would probably be pretty good. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see that. If it just like magically pops up. Oh, I can't do anything with that. That's too hard. Chad, what about Chad? Okay. Maybe I'll do some close up. Oh, no, not second panel. I'm just gonna use this as close up, and but I'm not gonna make him this big. So actually, that's too big. Yeah. Okay. Then there. Where's No, I don't want. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should put Francis in. I really just haven't put Francis in. Francis, actually. Okay, maybe this is not so. Actually, no. Hmm? That was a message, but no. Okay. My dad was saying he doesn't want to interrupt. Um, uh, I'll be pretty quick. Uh, hope this is the only one. Hey, okay. Hmm? I'm gonna just say this is no backpack day, even though there's no such thing. This is no backpack. Hey, no. Uh, Whatever. I guess that something's wrong. Maybe I forgot. Why is it red? What's the actual? What's the actual? Hmm? I'm still. I'm still. Hmm. Oh, well, I guess I'll just like do it with that. Oh yeah, I forgot to put on the day, and then I'll just end it with a surprise name. Huh? I can just go in, and I'm gonna put like that. Oh, and then yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Where is it? Yeah, here. Hey, why isn't it so?